Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about one of the two Godwits in Sri Lanka. The black-tailed Godwit. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The black-tailed Godwit is a large, long-legged, long-billed shorebird. Gregarious, large-sized wader with a long, slightly up-tilted bill. Its breeding range stretches from Iceland through Europe and areas of Central Asia. Black-tailed Godwits spend winter in areas as diverse as the Indian subcontinent, Australia, New Zealand, Western Europe and West Africa. Note the very long, pink-paced bill. Breeding plumage has bright rusty head and breast, dark barring on belly. Non-breeding plumage has rather plain greyish head, breast and upper parts. The species breeds in fens, lake edges, damp meadows, moorlands and bogs and uses estuaries, swamps and floods in winter. It is more likely to be found inland and on freshwater than the similar bar-tailed Godwit. The black-tailed Godwit is the national bird of the Netherlands. Their calls are like locally named Kalu Penda Gohundu Withtha. I have not seen the black-tailed Godwit. One such area you can see them is Trincomalee. If you ever visit Trincomalee, one of the most special birds to see is the Eurasian hoopoi. If you stay outside and look for birds, you are very likely to see this fellow. It is amazing and colorful. Don't forget to spot its crest opening up like a fan, which is magnificent.